Moderate mag. 4.9 earthquake, South Pacific Ocean, New Zealand, on Friday, March 31, 2023 at 7:46 p.m. local time, according to the Earthquake Commission and Geological Survey. New Zealand reported, and its depth was recorded 33 kilometers. I felt this quake. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. This quake reported is 100% accurate, and do not forget to share our videos. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.